What's going on? We're here at the farm and we're gonna do some quail hunting. It's been a while since we've not just recorded, but gonna be able to posting. You know, a lot has changed. I had to keep my first child, little girl, but we're here back at the farm, gonna do a little quail hunt. Got my buddy Cub here and he brought his dog and we got birds. It's gonna be a good day. Let's jump into it. You ready to go there, Timber? Chomping at the bit. We took a good bit of birds. Dogs did their job as well. Pretty fun. And that was my first quail hunt. So we had a good time. That'll wrap up this quail hunt. See you guys in the next one.